ate so much turkey today. You like the fatty, juicy turkey pieces? Say hello to the camera. Why did you eat so much turkey today? I gave you like the nice, juicy, fatty turkey pieces. Good. You stuffed yourself full. Jeez.